before you start advertising on Facebook, you want to know who you are advertising to. So for that, what you could do is use one of Facebook's amazing tools. What I'm looking at right now, I'm at my ad manager page on Facebook, and you just go to Tools and go to Audience Insights. So you could get lots of information about your audience on this page here. And what you would want to do is go to interests and type in your keywords or a public figure in the niche that you are marketing to. So for this example, let's say I am marketing to people who want to make money online, or to people who want to start a business online. So let's just choose just a general keyword here. I'm just going to go to business and industry, and I'm just going to go to this right here. Just choose entrepreneurship. Okay, and so just looking at the data here, for the gender, you can see that it is evenly split. It's 50% women, 50% men that you are targeting to. And you can see their age range here. Uh, the majority of the men that you are marketing to here on Facebook are going to be in the age range of 25 to 34, whereas for women, it's going to be in this age range right here, 35 to 44. But you could safely say that the age range that you're marketing to is between 25 and 54 years old. Okay, and you could also look at their lifestyle. If you put the mouse over the eye here, you can get more information. For example, here it says solo and stable are singles and homeowners who work in mainly white-collar professional, administrative, and managerial jobs. Their education and income place them above average in the middle class. So you get an idea here that the people you're marketing to, have white-collar jobs, are homeowners, and are singles. Here, Metro Mix. It says here the middle incomes, urban tenants. Okay, so you could just keep going down relationship status, education level. You see that 61% have some college education, and the job titles, you can see a lot of them are in management, production. Okay, and you could also click on these other tabs here. Right now I'm just looking at demographics, but you can also go to the page likes and see what they have liked on Facebook. You can see the top categories here. You can see page likes. Okay, the most relevant pages that they have liked. You can see the most relevant one here is Brendan Bouchard. So you could target people who like Brendan Bouchard. Okay, now let's go to activity. You can see what activities they've done on Facebook. You can see that ads clicked. It says right here, ads clicked 43. Let's just bring up that. It says selected audience 43 people on Facebook. So compared to other people on Facebook, you can see in the gray shade here, and then you look at your audience, the people who are interested in business. You see that here in the blue color here, there's a great proportion of them compared to the people, other people on Facebook that click on ads. So you know that these people do like to click on Facebook ads. And you can see that here again, they like posts. They also, a lot more of them add comments compared to people outside of your target market. Okay, and you can see here device users. see 25% use Android, 55% mobile only, desktop. So you see that a lot of them, actually like to use mobile devices. You can see, fewer of them actually use an actual computer than the majority of people on Facebook. Okay, you can also go to household to get an idea of what their income is. You see the majority of them earn between 50 to 75,000. And again, here you can see the majority of them are homeowners. As for the household size, the number of adults and children who live in a single U.S. home, you can see that the majority of them are singles. There's just one person that lives in the home. And you can also see the spending methods. And you can also go here and see their purchases.